Next, we need to get the latest version of Debutify theme. So, click on the second link, which is given in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, click on this Start Free Trial button. Debutify theme offers a free plan, which is good enough for people who are just starting out. To get that, you need to create an account here. Simply enter your name and email along with a strong password. Now, Debutify will send a verification link into your email. You only need to open your email and then click on this Verify Email button. This will take you to your Debutify account, where you only need to follow this step-by-step process to install your theme on your store. Since we've already created our account, the next step for us is to connect our Shopify store with Debutify. So click on this Connect Store button. Now you need to enter your store URL here. To get the store URL, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on this eye icon beside the Online Store option. This will open your store, from where you can copy the store URL. Then simply paste it here and click on Verify. Now click on this Connect and Get Theme button. Next, click on this Download button to install the Debutify theme. Here, select the Fresh Install option and then Confirm. And just like this, the theme will be installed on your computer. The next step is to upload this theme on your Shopify store. To do that, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Online Store option. Here, click on this Add Theme option and then select the zip file option. Here, you need to add the theme you just installed from Debutify and then click on this Upload button. Now it will take some moments to install the theme on the store. And once it's done, click on this Publish button to set it as a default theme on your store. Now, if you go back to our current store and then refresh it, you'll see that the Debutify theme layout is fully active here. And now, we only need to customize this page as per our need. By the way, I've already created a detailed tutorial on how to set up a branded Shopify store using the Debutify theme in just 20 minutes. So if you are interested, simply click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.